So I'm going to start with a circle. I'm using my whole hand to spin. I can always add more. Go over it again. All right, maybe I want to have a second scoop. I know that the scoop is not sitting right on top. It's crammed on there, a little melty and smushed on there. So I'm going to make it kind of like overlapping, kind of like a Venn diagram from ELA. Let's see. Something like that. And go like this. Something like that maybe. I know that my cone is going to go straight down, so I can put my dot there. And then I'm going to go in a straight line. It's not going to look super tasty if you use a ruler, so I'm going to recommend you just give it your best try, moving your whole arm rather than just your wrist. All right, so you could also look at some pictures of some ice cream to see how that would look melty and smushed on the little bottom edge. All right, so that's how I drew a cone. Perhaps you want to have it like in Wayne Thiebaud's picture he drew, where the ice cream is like this, and perhaps it's kind of smushing onto the table, melting. Looks kind of like a piece of popcorn. And then we can have the cone kind of about to fall off. Put a dot there. Connect. I want to move my paper over a little. Now, if I have it like this, then I know that that is in front. It kind of looks like a clown. And so these are very sketchy, but I would go back in and erase all of the extra lines I don't want. But I always start very sketchy and very light, so I can always fix it later. All right, so I've got a cone on the table. It could be on a plate maybe. If you want to do a plate, you're going to have to do another ellipse. And it makes sense to go really light so you can go right over that ice cream. And give it your best try. All right, I'm going to go in, erase all those extra lines, find the perfect mark, go in and make it darker. All right, so there's my ice cream. It's on a plate. Maybe I need to have one of those plates that has like a extra rim there. And it is on the table and it might be melting. The cone is going up. I'm drawing the lines on the cone a little curvy, because they're going to go crisscross. More curvy at the top, right? And there's my ice cream cone.